Hello everyone, the SereneLife Kids Pod Swing is a suspended indoor-outdoor hanging chair designed for children. It features a durable and comfortable nylon seat that can be easily hung from a tree branch or a ceiling. The swing is designed to provide a safe and secure place for children to relax and play, while also promoting balance and coordination. It can support weight up to 200 pounds and can be used both indoor and outdoor. The package includes the hanging rope and the carabiner for easy installation, the perfect addition to your child's playtime routine. This suspended indoor-outdoor hanging chair is designed with your child's safety and comfort in mind. Made with durable and comfortable nylon, it can be easily hung from a tree branch or a ceiling. Not only is it a fun and playful way for your child to relax and play, but it also promotes balance and coordination. With a weight capacity of 200 pounds, it can support children of all ages. Whether you're using it inside or outside, the SereneLife Kids Pod Swing is sure to be a hit with your little ones. And with the included hanging rope and carabiner, installation is a breeze. Get your child their very own SereneLife Kids Pod Swing today and watch their imagination soar. The SereneLife Kids Pod Swing has been a hit with children of all ages, providing a safe and fun place for them to play and relax. Made with durable and comfortable nylon, it can be easily hung from a tree branch or a ceiling and promotes balance and coordination. With a weight capacity of 200 pounds, it's perfect for children of all ages. And with the included hanging rope and carabiner, installation is a breeze. Make your child's playtime even more fun with the SereneLife Kids Pod Swing. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. If you need more information for these products, if you want to purchase, check out the description. If you like the video, then like, comment, and subscribe.